Hello, namaste.
Namaste. I am Amanda Boyce and I'm from South Africa.
South Africa. You have participated 21 kilometers. It's mean Dingbuje to Namche. So how was your experience about this marathon, please?
Thank you. My experience was very positive. It was extremely well organized and everything went according to plan. There were enough water points, there were electrolytes, water, chocolates, and they took our numbers every now and again, and there were photographers on the road, and the road was extremely well marked with the orange ribbons, so we could find our way all the time. There was no need for concern that you were lost your way. So the organizers really did a great job. And then of course for us from South Africa, the scenery is just breathtakingly beautiful. From Dingbuje, the mountains were still covered with snow and the river was running. We crossed the steel bridge and two other bridges, and then we came across the green valleys with the green trees, so the scenery was beautiful all the time. I took pictures of flowers, I took pictures of the valleys, of the snow peaks of the mountains, and of the animals carrying all the stuff. So it was a lovely. The other very positive thing was the people along the road were so friendly. They cheered me on all the way. They clapped hands, they wished me well wishes. They were so friendly and showing me the way. So it was a positive experience from the beginning up to the end. And here at Namche, it is so festive, such a festive atmosphere. The food is nice. It's really a great experience. Yes, when we came here, we got the scarves, I got a medal and I got a certificate, and they treated me with water and with food, and everybody is so friendly. They asked me whether I need medical treatment or not, so very helpful again.